Good morning, dear students. I'm Monica Sardana, and today we'll do question number 2 of worksheet number 6. We have to find the value of x, and we are given two rational numbers are equal, and we have to find the value of x. So how can we solve? We will first cross multiply it. We have done this question in previous worksheet also. So first product will be 3 multiply 15 is equal to minus 5 multiply by x. And minus 5 here is in multiplication and it will go in division on left hand side. So value of x will be 5 3s are 15. So the value will be x is equal to minus 9. Okay, so whenever you are two rational numbers are given equal and you have to find the value of x, you just cross multiply it and equate the products and you will find the value of x. And fourth part, 7 upon minus x is equal to 7 upon 1. Okay, so in this question also the concept we are doing in worksheet number 6, that whenever we compare two rational numbers, we first make the denominator positive. So you can do by this concept also, that by making the denominator positive. So first step you can do is you can make the denominator positive by multiplying it with minus 1. So what will come? Minus 7 upon x is equal to 7 upon 1. So now you will cross multiply and you will see minus 7 multiply 1 is equal to x multiply 7, and then x is equal to, the 7 here is in multiplication and it will go in division on other side. So value of x will be minus 1. If in exam we have to solve the question, we can do by any of the methods. Either we can directly cross multiply and find the value of x, or we can first make the denominator positive and then we can cross multiply. Answer will be same in both the cases. And now in question number 4, you have to arrange these three numbers in ascending order. So first of all, what you will do, you will make the denominator positive. First step, while comparing the rational numbers, we make the denominator positive. So in second rational number, there is negative sign in both numerator and denominator and they will cancel out. So it will become minus 3 upon 4 is equal to 5 upon 12 is equal to minus 7 upon 16. Now we have to compare these three rational numbers. So first of all, we will make the denominator same. And how can we make the denominator same? By taking the LCM. And what will be the LCM of 4, 12 and 16? It will be 48. So the LCM will be 48. So what number should be multiplied with 4 to make it 48? It's 12. So 12 must be multiplied in numerator also, and minus 3 multiplied by 12 is equal to minus 36. What number should be multiplied with 12 to make it 48? 12 4s are 48. And the same number has to be multiplied in numerator also. So 5 4s are 20. And the third number is 16 multiply 3 is equal to 48. Since denominator is multiplied with 3, so numerator will also be multiplied with 3. So minus 7 multiply 3 is minus 21. Okay, so now you will write it as minus 36 upon 48, minus 20 upon 48 and minus 21 upon 48. Now you can see denominators are same, and now you can arrange numerators in ascending order. Sorry, it is 20 here. So if we see, minus 36 will be smaller than minus 21 and the greatest number will be 20. So if you see, minus 36 is less than minus 21 and minus 21 is less than 20. But in question you were given in this form. So final, when you will write the answer, you will convert the question into same form. Okay, so corresponding to 36, it has come from first, then minus 21 it has come from third rational number, that was minus 7 upon 16, and 20 was coming from second rational number and that is minus 5 upon minus 12. So you need to keep this thing in mind whenever we are doing the arrangement in ascending or descending. First of all, we'll make the denominator positive, and then we'll make their denominator same by taking LCM, and then we will separate out, then make them three rational numbers with three common denominators, and then we will compare their numerators. And last, whenever we are going to write the answer, we'll write the answer whatever it is given in question. Okay, so minus 3 by 4 is less than minus 7 by 16, and minus 7 by 16 is less than minus 5 upon minus 12. So now in question number 5, it is given that we have to arrange these four rational numbers in descending order. So for first step is to make the denominator positive. So this is positive, it will be written as 2 upon 5. This is minus 1 upon 2. Denominator here is also positive, and here denominator is negative, so we'll make the denominator positive by multiplying it with minus 1. So it will become minus 8 upon 15. We will multiply the numerator and denominator with minus 1. And here minus 3, it is divided by minus 10. So minus is common in numerator and denominator, so it will become 3 upon 10. Minus term is cancelled from numerator and denominator. Now we can compare. So first of all, we'll take the LCM. What will the LCM of 5, 2, 15 and 10? You will solve it and you will find the LCM will come 30. So first term 5, what number should be multiplied with 5 to make it 30? It should be 6. If 5 is multiplied with 6, then 2 must be multiplied with 6 only. So it will become 12. And second number 2 is multiplied with 15 to make it 30. So 15 will be multiplied in numerator. So minus 1 multiply 15 is minus 15. And the third term is, what number should be multiplied with 15 to make it 30? It's 2. So 2 is multiplied in numerator also, and minus 8 multiplied 2 is minus 16. And third term is 10 multiply 3 is 30. So numerator is 3 and 3 also must be multiplied with 3. So 3 3s are 9. So we'll separate out the four rational numbers. Now we have made the same denominator in all of these rational numbers. So what we'll do now, we'll now arrange. We'll know 12 is the highest number here. So 12 upon 30, then 9 upon 30, and minus 16 is less than minus 15. Now these numbers are arranged in ascending order. In ascending, but in our question it's given that we have to write in descending order. So our order will be 12 upon 30, 9 upon 30, minus 15 upon 30, and then minus 16 upon 30. So these are in descending order, but in our question it was not given in this form. So first of all, we'll convert into whatever it is given in question form. So 12 was coming out from first rational number, so we'll write 2 upon 5. 9 was coming from fourth rational number, so it is minus 3 upon minus 10. And 15 was coming out from second rational number, so it will be minus 1 upon 2. And minus 16 was coming out from third rational number, so it will be minus 8 upon 15. Okay, so while writing the answer, you have to keep this thing in mind, that we have to write it in the form of as given in question. So now we'll quickly recall the chapter. See, first thing, we have seen the comparison between fraction and rational number. What was the difference? That in fraction both were natural number, but in rational number both were integer and denominator was not equal to 0. So first term we have learnt is fractional versus rational number. And second thing was, there were two type of rational number, positive rational number and negative rational number. In positive rational number, the sign of numerator and denominator was same, but it was opposite in negative rational number. Third, we have done the multiplication property of rational number, that is we can multiply by any non-zero number with numerator and denominator, and similarly if there is common divisor in numerator and denominator, then we can divide it also. The fourth term we have done, it is standard form. In standard form we have to check two things. First, denominator is positive. Second thing, we can cancel out the common terms in numerator and denominator. And the fifth concept we have learnt is equivalent rational number, that is two rational numbers are equivalent or equal if their cross products are equal. Okay, if their cross products are equal. And last thing, comparison of rational number. Whenever we have to compare the rational numbers, we'll first make the denominator positive and then we can compare it by LCM method or by cross multiplication. Both method can be used, but cross multiplication method is a fast method, then LCM method. And last concept was representation of rational number on number line. So we used to divide into equal segments as denominator is given. So please solve all the questions and the examples of chapter number 1. Okay.